Hey everyone, my name's Louis, and today we'll be making kimchi jigae. For some reason, tofu gets a bad rep, and I want to change that. Welcome to a brand new show dedicated to making tofu less. First episode is kimchi jigae. So for kimchi jigae, it involves 3 parts: the base, the veg and the stock. First, we prepare our base. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of gochujang, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of mirin, 2 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper. Mix until you get consistency similar to this. Then chop up your veg. We're using mushroom, onion, spring onion and tofu, which technically isn't veg, but we need to slice that anyways. You can get whatever tofu you like. I'm using silken, but traditionally, firm tofu is used for the stew. Then you want to get your stock ready. You can use water, but I use dashi, made from kombu, which is just seaweed essentially. Veg stock is also a good alternative if you can't get your hands on that. Now, grab your kimchi, and please do not get the one I have in front of me. Get proper Korean kimchi, which you can get vegan versions of at most Asian stores anyways. And a good tip for finding proper kimchi is if it's in Korean. Don't get the one I bought. Fry off the kimchi for a couple minutes. Then add your mushroom, spring onion, and then saute that for 30 seconds. Once that's done, add the paste, the tofu, and the stock. Give it a stir and turn up to high heat until it reaches a boil. Once it's reached a boil, turn it down to a simmer, place the lid on it for 15 minutes, and wait. Once it's nice and combined, it's ready to serve. Place into a bowl, garnish with spring onion, sesame oil, and sesame seeds, and then you're ready to serve up with some rice. Right, itadakimasu. It's really flavorful, really spicy. You can get that kick of umami from the dashi. This is a really easy dish to make. It took about half an hour. Any student can make it, as long as they can handle spice. I'm really pleased with this. This is delicious. This is completely vegetarian as well. Hopefully you'll make this at home, and I'll see you soon.